Best health insurance in India for 2026 are not always that ones with the biggest advertisements or the lowest premiums. Because many people believe that if a plan is heavily marketed, it must be the best, or that a cheaper premium automatically means better value. But that's not how health insurance works. The real quality of a policy is revealed only when you need to make a claim, and that's when hidden condition, coverage limit, and exclusions often comes as an unpleasant surprises. Hi, I am Mariam, and you are watching PolicyHub. And at PolicyHub, we simplify insurance so you can make informed decisions with confidence. And in this video, I will help you compare the best options and show you which plan can protect you from hidden clauses, waiting periods, and unexpected claim deductions. And before we start, we will compare these plans based on some of the most important factors, which is claim settlement ratio, waiting periods, room rent limits, eligibility criteria, restoration benefits, network hospitals, and overall value for money. So let's begin with one of the most important factor, which is claim settlement performance. So while a high claim settlement ratio does not guarantee that every claim will be approved, it does indicate how consistently an insurer has been settling genuine claims over time. And among the plans we are discussing today, HDFC Ergo reports one of the highest claim settlement ratio at around 98.75%. ICICI Lombard follows at approximately 97%, Bajaj at 96%, Tata AIG at 95%, while Nivopa is around 92%. And at some source it shows 100%, but it shows only for health insurance, and rest of other companies are general insurance. And remember, claim settlement ratio is only one part of the story, because policy with an excellent claim settlement record can still leave you with unexpected expenses if it comes with room rent limits, restrictive policy conditions, or a limited cashless hospital network. And the next factor is very important, which is hospital network. Because during a medical emergency, last thing you want is to discover that your preferred hospital is not covered for cashless treatment. And large hospital network is not just about bigger numbers, it's about convenience when every minute matters. So in this comparison, HDFC Ergo offers one of the largest hospital network with over 16,000 hospitals. Bajaj follows with more than 15,000, while Tata AIG, ICICI Lombard, and Nivopa has 10,000 plus network hospitals. And it's providing broad access to cashless hospitalization across India. But claim settlement ratio and hospital networks are only part of the picture. So once you have shortlisted reliable insurer according to your needs, the next step is to see whether you are actually eligible for the policy and whether it fits your family needs. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 5 health insurance plans, which is HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plus, Tata AIG Medicare Select, ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare H Plus, and Nivopa Reassure 3.0. And if we look at eligibility, then all 5 plans have a minimum entry age of 18 years for adults, and however, the maximum entry age varies significantly, because HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plus allow entry up to 60 years, Nivopa Reassure 3.0 up to 99 years, ICICI Lombard Elevate up to 125 years, while Tata AIG Medicare Select and Bajaj My Healthcare H Plus have no maximum entry age limit. And for dependent children, HDFC Ergo and Tata AIG allow coverage up to 25 years if the child remains financially dependent, whereas ICICI Lombard, Bajaj, and Nivopa extend this limit to 30 years. And finally, if you are planning to save with a long-term policy, HDFC Ergo, ICICI Lombard, Bajaj, and Nivopa offers policy term of up to 5 years. Means you can buy your policy for maximum 5 years, and after that you can renew your policy. And while Tata AIG currently offers a maximum of 3 years. Now, before we get into the unique benefits of each plans, let's look at the features that are very common across all 5. So every plan covers the essential, including inpatient hospitalizations, pre and post hospitalization expenses, organ donor cover, daycare procedures, domiciliary treatment, IUS treatment, and ambulance charges. So the real difference comes from the additional benefit each insurer offers. So let's start with HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plus. So one of the biggest advantage is that there is no room rent limit under this plan, and it also comes with the secure benefit, which doubles your sum insured from day one, And another standout feature is unlimited registration, which works for both the same and different illnesses. Consumable expenses are covered under the Protect benefit, and one of its most unique built-in feature is the Plus benefit, which offers an infinite bonus. So this means you receive a 100% increase in your sum insured every year with no upper limit on as long as you continue renewing the policy. Next plan is Tata AIG Medicare Select. So this plan is very highly customizable, and it covers a single private AC room and includes all the essential benefits. And in addition, it offers Restore Infinity Plus, which restore the sum insured and unlimited numbers of time for both the same and different illnesses. It also provides daily cash benefit for both twin sharing and multi-sharing hospital accommodations, and making it a useful option for those who may not require a private room during hospitalization. And moving on to Bajaj My Healthcare Edge Plus. So this plan is newly launched, and this is another highly customizable plan with single private AC room. It includes unlimited restoration as an inbuilt-in feature and covers modern treatments and advanced medical technology. And unique benefit is that if you are hospitalized more than 200 kilometers away from your home, the policy also covers the travel expenses of one accompanying family member or friend, adding extra convenience during emergencies. And now let's talk about the ICICI Lombard Elevate. So this is also a highly customizable plan with single private AC room, and it offers unlimited reset benefit, and it's allow your sum insured to be restored multiple times for the both the same and different illnesses. And the plan also includes inpatient hospitalization cover for surrogate mother and inpatient hospitalization expenses for oocyte donor, and making it one of the more comprehensive plan for families with specialized healthcare needs. And finally, Nivopa Reassure 3.0. This is a variant based plan available in Classic, Select, Elite and Black variant. Room rent eligibility depends on the chosen variant, and with the Black variant, it offering coverage up to the sum insured. And one of its most popular feature is Lock the Clock, which allow you to continue paying premiums based on your entry age even as you grow older. And another major advantage is day one coverage for up to 145 declared pre-existing disease through underwriting. And the plan also offers the flexibility of unlimited sum insured option, and making it suitable for those looking for a very higher coverage. And now let's talk about the waiting periods. Across all 5 plans, the standard waiting periods are largely similar. The initial waiting period is 30 days, specific diseases are covered after 2 years, and pre-existing disease have a waiting period of 3 years. And for maternity benefit, most plans comes with a 2-year waiting period. However, several insurers also offer optional add-ons that allow you to reduce the maternity waiting period to as little as 9 months, and depending on the plan and the option you have choose. And finally, let's talk about the discounts. So every insurer has its own discount structure. So the benefits can vary from one plan to another. And all 5 companies generally offer multi-year policy discount, family discount, and discount on multi-individual policies. And some insurer also provide loyalty discount, while other offers additional savings if you choose a deductible option. Since the exact discount percentage differ for each plan and may change over time, I won't cover every detail in this comparison. And if you had like a complete breakdown of the discounts available under a specific plan, you can watch our dedicated review video for each policy, and all of which are available on our channel. So after comparing all 5 plans, it's clear that there is not a single health insurance policy that's perfect for everyone. The right choice depends on your age, medical history, budget, and the feature that matter most to you. And if you are looking for most comprehensive built-in benefits with minimal dependence on add-ons, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plus is standout, and feature like day one double coverage, unlimited restore, built-in consumable cover, and the infinite bonus make it one of the strongest all health insurance plans available today. And if you prefer a highly customizable policy that allow you to tailor your coverage based on your specific needs, then Tata AIG Medicare Select, Bajaj My Healthcare Edge Plus, and ICICI Lombard Elevate are all excellent choices, and each offers different customization options, so the best one depends on the benefits you are looking for. And on the other hand, if your priority is coverage for pre-existing disease, flexible variants, and higher entry age limit, Nivopa Reassure 3.0 is definitely worth considering, and especially if its unique feature matches your healthcare needs. So my recommendation is very simple. Don't choose a policy based only on the premium or a single feature. Compare the overall coverage, waiting periods, restoration benefits, room rent eligibility, exclusions, and claim support before making your decision. Because health insurance policy is something you will depend on during a medical emergency. So it's very important to choose the one that fits your needs, not someone else. And if you are still confused about which plan is right for you or for your family, you can book your free consultation with our insurance expert. We will understand your requirements and help you choose the most suitable plan without any obligations. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your question in the comment. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.